Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm so happy to be here to talk about Chainlink and to talk a bit about how to build the cross-chain applications using the Chainlink CCIP. So my name is Solange Gueiros. I work on DevRel, and these are all my contacts. I'm so proud and came from Brazil to be here. This is the presentation. I will stay like 5 seconds here to be sure that you can get the presentation. Yeah, I think we are good. Almost done? Yes, let's go. So this is the Chainlink bounties here in the hackathon. We have a track related to the Chainlink CCIP that I'm teaching now for you. And we have 3,000 for the best 3 projects. Also, we have the Connect with the World, all the other Chainlink services. And we have 3 prizes as well of 2,000 each. And I'm doing live code here. This is so excited. So let's start talking about oracles. So what is Oracle and what is the challenger? We have so many blockchains, and we must connect these blockchains. First, with all the information that we have outside of the world. Second, between blockchains. I don't believe that one blockchain is better than the others, but we have it too much. They must communicate. And this is the goal of the interoperability and the goal of CCIP. When we talk about oracles in general, we can have it oracles to get temperatures or satellite data, or my watch information, or maybe some soccer information, or related to the weather, or a lot of financial information as well. Everything we must use inside your blockchain. You must use inside smart contracts. And this is what Chainlink does for you. So we are DONs, decentralized Oracle networks, with different services. We have services for data, any kind of data. Imagine codes. I'd like to know the code of it in USD, so I can use data feeds. I can use data streams as well, if I'd like to get these codes in the exactly second that I need to use that. Maybe I'd like to get random numbers, and if I try to do that inside the blockchain, this can be manipulated. So better to have the random numbers outside using VRF. In the same way, the smart contracts cannot execute itself. It must some external agent to call some function inside the smart contracts. This is automation. And if you'd like to prove some reserve, like the reserves of some Bitcoin has and his representation inside the Ethereum network, you can use proof of reserve to prove reserves in other chains or in banks or any kind of external system. In the same way, imagine that you'd like to have to call an external API using a JavaScript code inside your smart contract. You can use Chainlink functions and do that and call any external API and bring and use all the information in your smart contract. And I'm here to talk about CCIP. So let's see CCIP working. This is the developer portal, so everything that you must learn, the get started for every project is over there. And this is, like I said before, blockchains are isolated networks, like islands, and they must communicate each other. This is the CCIP protocol, the cross-chain interoperability protocol. My goal today is to teach you more about this, but because I'd like to do something live, I'm doing first the live code to be sure that I have time to have everything done, and then I'm explaining more for you. My live code with you will be a cross-chain NFT emoji that is based on the Bitcoin price and also based on the chain. So if I'm minting my NFT from Sepolia, the background will be blue. If I'm minting the NFT from Avalanche Fuji, the background is red. But if I'm minting from Polygon Amoy, for example, I'm only using testnets, it will be purple. And why I have different emojis over there? If the Bitcoin price is up, since the last time that I use it, my emoji is happy. But if the Bitcoin is down, like yesterday, my emoji is so sad. But maybe between one and another, the Bitcoin price didn't change or was not updated. So have the flat face. So is this. Like I said before, I'm using Chainlink CCIP. And what is this? Imagine that we are starting over there. You are in the Cersei blockchain, and you are the user interacting with the chain. You are sending some message. In my case, the message will be the mint command to the NFT that is in the other blockchain. And I must say the destination blockchain. The router, you take care of everything that I need, including talk with all the nodes in the decentralized Oracle network. And I can send data, messages, and tokens. I could transfer tokens cross-chain as well, only tokens, or maybe both. And then the router in the other side, the destination blockchain, you receive the message, and it is processing that message in another smart contract, and then is going to you, to the end user. So let's do it. I have some done for you, and I'd like to show you. I made this last night. I can include and refresh this now. And you can see that here I have two. Oh, I'm not on the internet. So let's solve this in another way. I think my router will be on. Action needed, but I prefer to go to mine. Let's see what's faster now. Yeah, done. So anyway, I think I'm connected now, and I am come here, and yes. So what I have here, I have two emojis that I created yesterday, one on Sepolia, another on Fuji, and I'm creating the third one now from Avalanche Fuji as well, and we should see the other one here. But I already created two smart contracts. One of that, it was the cross-chain NFT price. I also created the smart contract prepared to receive the message, the cross-destination minter. And now, with you, I'm creating the cross-source minter, the smart contract that is sending the mint command to the other chain. Let's do that. In order to do that, I must communicate with my smart contract on Sepolia. So I have it here in some place. Okay, let's reconnect as well. I have it in another place to be faster. So this is the address of my smart contract on Sepolia. And I'm pasting it here in order to deploy. Let's see. Probably why it's not good, because I'm not connected in the network. So let's connect in my wallet first. This is the problem when I lock my computer and now I come back and must do everything again. Live, terrible, so dangerous. And here we are. I am on Avalanche Fuji. I am connected here as well. No, I'm not. Oh, now it seems yes, almost. Let's see my wallet here. Come on. I don't have time to wait. Okay, let's refresh. I can explain more things for you because I must wait. So let's go to the presentation a bit more. So what kind of capabilities I have using Chainlink CCIP? Like I said before, I have the token transfers. I can send any kind of token. I can create my own token and do the cross-chain transfer. This is so cool. Also, I can send messages like I'm doing now, and my message is the mint command to the other chain, interacting with a smart contract in the other chain. And also, I can mix both. Imagine that I can send some token and then send some hash. So get the token and stake the token and do whatever you'd like to do. Let's see if it's working now. My remix is crazy. Oh, let's talk a bit more. So talking more about the messages, because I'm doing messages with you here. Including this. Okay. So talking about messages. Yeah, it seems that I will try the other internet. And I already is in the middle. Oh, 10 minutes. Yeah, everything is off now. Okay, I should download the presentation, I know. At least let's see if I have it now. Okay, so talking about the messages, the kind of messages that I can use. Imagine that I can use a message to rebalancing an index in the other chain. Or, like I'm trying to do here, minting a specific NFT. Or update the state in a game. Or calling any arbitrary function with the data that I'd like to use in the other blockchain. This is our goal. And like I said before, if I have a token and the message, I could do this, for example, in a lending protocol in the other chain, or stake, or use like a collateral for a loan, or you can think about it. It's so amazing. Yes. I think now will be good. Let's go, let's go. Again, let's see if I lost my wallet. No, my wallet is here. Here is good as well. Oh, now it's working. Let's get my destination minter that I'm trying to do now with you. At least trying. Still almost trying. Then let's talk more. So, how can I pay the fees? I'm paying because, imagine, I have fees in the CCIP blockchain, and I have fees in the destination blockchain. How can I pay the fees? I'm paying everything in the CCIP blockchain, and the CCIP router is calculating how much will be the fees in the destination blockchain. So when I am in the CCIP blockchain, I already can know how much token I need to pay the fees in the other chain. I can pay the fees using the native token, or I can pay the fees using Link, the Chainlink token. Here I'm using the Link token. And my goal is to deposit some Link token inside my smart contract and then use this in the other chain. Let's see. Oh, I can't believe on that. Now it's not loading my smart contract. Perfect. One more time trying, and let's go forward. So this is the our mechanism that we're talking about. Even I'm not using token now, but if I have a token, I should have a token pool on each chain with different mechanisms. For example, you can lock the tokens in the CCIP blockchain and unlocking the other, or minting the other blockchain, or not for native tokens, but if you are the owner of the token, you can maybe burn the token in one chain and then mint in the other chain as well. So all the possibilities can be done for you. And this is all the process. You can see here that it's not only one network. We have 3 different networks to help you. One network is related to the risk management, to be sure that every step is really secure. Then we have another network, another DON, only to commit the transaction. So you commit the transaction, you have the risk management that is take care of everything, and at the end, the executing DON, you really execute the transaction in the destination blockchain, okay? And let's come back here. I'd like to do this live. Yes, now we work. Not this, let's go. Cross-chain minter, yes. Connect again. Get. So, get the address. Oh, why the other is not working? Hello. Ah, yes. Okay. So, go here. I'm interacting with this contract now. Deploy. Go. Not yet. Let's deploy again. Let's see if I have some problem here. No. It's still getting my balance. Yes, error. Okay, I know. You didn't connect yet. Okay, let's talk a bit more. So how can I know what I'm doing? How can I see the transactions, the cross-chain transactions? We can use the CCIP Explorer to see the transaction in one chain, and when I have the confirmation in the other chain, I can see the transaction over there as well. And why it's so important to have, and I'm not going to the slide mode anymore, okay? Why it's so important to have cross-chain applications? Like I said before, we don't have only one blockchain in the world, and for the user, it's so hard to have different blockchains and to know which they are doing each blockchain. So they must have application and systems that they don't care in each blockchain they are anymore. And we should have apps and wallets and DeFi and NFT and game application that work in different chains, and this is transparent to the user. So all of this, it's important to our final network. Let's try again. Oh, at least now it seems that transaction will happen. Yes. I know that I don't have time to finish, but I should have 6 minutes and I have 4. So when the transaction is done, I will have a new contract over there. And what this contract is doing? This contract is sending the transaction to the other blockchain, okay? This is the router on Fuji. I'm interacting with Fuji. You can see here. I'm going to Sepolia, to my smart contract, and I have the mint on Sepolia over there to do that. And yes, timeout. Yeah, it will be really hard to do that. Yeah. I made the others before, and I don't have it now. Okay, at least I have these two that you can see that I made yesterday. I really would like to do one now. Let's see how they are. So moving forward a bit more. Oh, I tried to go to the presentation mode. I can't. So remember that we have bounties related to CCIP, and go to our developer portal. We have the examples of everything that I tried to do here, but sorry, I could not do everything now. We have the bounties for CCIP, but also the bounties for all the other Chainlink services. And if you use both, maybe we can win in both tracks. This will be so amazing. And this is my presentation. Let's have some minutes here, some seconds. Also, I know that I could not do this live with you, but this is all the requirements that you should have. It's in the presentation. All the information related to the link token. And let's talk a bit more related to the risk management network. What is this network doing? Imagine that someone would like to try to send a transaction in the destination blockchain that doesn't exist in the source blockchain. They will catch this. You cannot do that. Imagine that you have different balances between the chains. You never can do that. And this is not on a single computer. It's a full network that takes care of this, and this is independent of the other networks that is proposing the transaction. So we have the segregate of roles over there to be sure that this is really, really secure for you. And I think it's this. So I have 1 minute, so thank you so much. Do you have any question? We have a table in the other side of this, so we have some people from Chainlink over there as well that they can help you. And also I have people here, Roberto, Darby, Zubin, Sophia. Hey, hello everyone. Yes. Our then are from Chainlink. They are here to help you as well. We are here all the weekend, all the hackathon. I'd like to have you amazing projects with you. So thank you so much.